That Facebook page you got sitting there, the one you don't care about, the one you haven't looked at for like 2 years, well, that page could have been making you $500 a day every single day. So, Zuckerberg, nobody likes that guy. He's been stealing your data and whatnot. Well, we're about to get him back. I found out this secret Facebook hack that's going to make you $500 a day. That's 15 grand a month. So if you don't have a Facebook page, trust me, you're going to want to just go set one up right now. It takes 30 seconds. And this method works whether you have 0 friends or 10,000 friends. Your friends don't matter because we're not using your friends. Your friends aren't going to even know what you're doing. Listen, the fact of the matter is, Facebook still has 25.5 billion worldwide visitors every single month, okay? And that's 25.5 billion money-making opportunities as far as I'm concerned. There's so many ways to make money online. If you're not doing it, then you're not putting in enough effort. And what I'm going to show you today, you do not have to be a genius. I'm not a genius. Trust me, I just dig deep and I find these little methods, these little tricks, these little hacks, and I bring them to you. But first, I make sure they work. I use them for myself. I pass them out to a couple friends. Then I put them on my YouTube channel. So if you're liking this so far, go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I want you to just imagine what you're going to do with that extra 15 G's a month. You're going to be able to go out to dinner now with your friends. You're going to be able to go on that vacation. You're going to be able to get the new fancy car. You're going to be able to retire if you play this right. Now, I got to tell you one thing. This is a 3-step process, so you need to pay attention. Watch till the end of the video. I'm going to try to go slow, but if you need to pause the video, go ahead. The only things you're going to need for this are a computer and obviously a Facebook page, okay? Oh, and by the way, this will work worldwide, okay? The sites I'm going to take you to, they are available worldwide, so I don't care what country you're in, get on this, okay? Oh, and as an added bonus, this hack I'm going to show you, you can apply this to any social media platform, okay? I found it worked. Well, I'm not going to lie to you. I haven't tried it on every social media platform, but you'll see when you see what I'm doing here, you'll see how it will work on every social media platform. So, without further ado, give me one more like, and let's go get some money out of Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, first step, you want to go to a site called likeforlike.org. Okay, likeforlike.org. And what this is a social media exchange, essentially. So you are going to get credits for liking other people's posts, pages. Check this out. I mean, you can use this for YouTube subscribers, Twitter, retweets, Instagram, any of that. But first you have to build up credits by showing somebody else some love. So you just go to, one of these right here, and it's going to take you somewhere. You like it, confirm it, and you're going to get credits, okay? So you can see I've already got 50 credits. So this is the important first step. This is going to help us at the end here. You're going to see what I mean. So since we're on the subject of likes, why don't you give this video a like for me? Boom, thank you very much. So, also use this to your advantage. If you've got something you want to promote, come give some people some love. And then I'm going to show you at the end how we're going to get some love. Make sense? Okay, cool. Next step is come over to a site called cpalead.com. cpalead.com. Now, if you know anything about affiliate marketing, this is very similar to that. So these people have promotions going, and they will pay you a certain amount to promote it for them, to get clicks. So for instance, if you were to promote whatever this offer is right here, you would get $2.04 per click. Now actually, it's not really, you don't get paid per click, you get paid per action. And I'm going to show you what I mean here. So if we come down and we see we've got a, let's check this one out, win a brand new iPhone Pro. So if we were to promote this link right here, this is where they would come to right here. They would come to this page, and all the people would have to do for you to get paid is click enter now. They don't have to do anything else. As long as they just click that, you're getting paid, okay? And we're going to see how much you will get paid if somebody does that. So we'll come over here, find that. Here we go, iPhone 12 Pro giveaway. You'll get paid 68 cents every time somebody clicks on that. So you might be asking yourself, how am I going to get people to click on that? Well, I'm going to show you, okay? So we're going to hit, we're going to promote this page. So go promote page right here. And you want to copy this link, okay? This is your own personal link. This is how you're going to get paid. So copy that. And then you want to save that. So put that in some sort of folder because we're going to need that. Next step is to come over here to a site called Bitly. It's either bitly.com. This is bitly.ws. Just Google Bitly, B-I-T-L-Y. This is going to shorten the link for us. So just paste your link in there, paste it, and then push shorten. Okay, and this is going to be our new link. This is going to be the link to that page. So copy that, copy. Next step, come over to your Facebook page. And we're going to make a post here. You got to post this on your page. Now, my suggestion is you don't have this public. Go to only me. So only you are going to see this, okay? And just type in what we're doing here. It's a iPhone 12 Pro giveaway. iPhone 12 Pro giveaway. And then get it here. Oops, get it here. Maybe throw in couple of those, paste your link there. Okay, now post that. Let it post. Okay, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to get rid of all this crap down here. So we're going to edit the post. Edit post. We're going to type the link in, paste the link again. Get rid of that. Go away. Save. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to go right click. You want to copy link address. Now we want to go back over to like for like. So bring it back over, bring that link to that post back over here to like for like. And remember earlier when I told you to go ahead and build up a couple credits, because now we're going to spend them, okay? Now we're going to go to add manage pages, and then we're going to go down to Facebook shares right here. Okay, we're going to get people to share the hell out of that. So you want to post the link right there, paste it, okay, and then iPhone 12 giveaway. That's what we. That's the description. iPhone 12 Pro giveaway. And how many credits do you want to spend? So you go right here. You're just going to type in, you know, how you got 50 credits. I don't know. You want to spend 20 of them? Just click 20. Add URL, and it's in there. Boom. That's it. Now, people are going to share this. People are going to come in here, share that to get their credits, and everybody on their Facebook page is going to see it, and everybody on their Facebook page is going to see it, and everybody on their Facebook page is going to see it, and you're going to get all these clicks, all these actions, and you know, you're going to get this out to thousands upon thousands upon thousands upon thousands upon thousands of people. You're going to make at least $500 a week on this, and you can just do this all day long. So, like I said, if you need to go back and watch all these steps again, do it, get it right, but this is going to work out for you, okay? Hey, you guys have a great day. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more super cool ways to make money online.